Good morning, grade 3. Today we are going to do unit number 2, lesson number 2. You are required to open page number 7 of Oxford Progressive English book. Now children, today we are going to study about the vocabulary words related to building materials. Let's start. The first word is wood. Wood is a very common material. It's all around you. We get wood from trees. Your furniture is made up of wood. For instance, tables, chair, bed, doors. They are all made up of wood. The next material we are going to talk about is stone. Again, you must have seen a lot of stones around you. Buildings, they are made up of stones. Heavy stones, the big ones. They are used to construct buildings. Steel, a very durable and a very strong material. Your utensils, spoons, crockery, they are all made up of steel. Bridge, the big ones, they are made up of steel. So steel is a very strong material. Huge, gigantic buildings, they are made up of steel. The structure to hold them up is made up of steel. It is a very strong and very durable material. Plastic, frame of the window. It is made up of plastic. Similarly, your wires, they have plastic covering around them. Switchboards, they are made up of plastic. Your scales, some of your stationery items, they are made up of plastic. Bricks. Bricks are the small units of your house. Some of the structures, building structures, they are made up of bricks. Bricks are made up of sand. Normally, the wet sand, it is baked on very high temperature to form these bricks. And these bricks, they are united to form houses. Glass, again, a transparent material, or it can be tinted. So glass is a very delicate material, but again, it is used to beautify so many things, and it has a lot of uses. Now children, since now you know about the vocabulary related to the building materials, so we have to attempt question number 2 of the exercise. Use the new words from exercise 1 to complete the sentences. Now let's read sentence number 1. Before I'll start sentence number 1, you have to see the example mentioned above. All bridges are made up of stone or wood. So all bridges are made up of, again, you must have seen stones around you, or wood. Number 1. Today, long bridges are made up of, come on children, long bridges are made up of, what will be the answer? Bricks? I don't think so, because as I've told you earlier, bricks are the building units or building blocks of houses mostly. Plastic? Do you think plastic is durable enough? And what was the material I mentioned was very strong and durable? Steel. Excellent. So, today, long bridges are made of steel. Number 2. High buildings are made of, come on children, what do you think that high buildings are made up of? Again, for high buildings, we are required to use a material which is very strong. So what was the strong material we just spoke about? Yes, again, steel. High buildings are made of steel. They aren't made of what? Yes, come on. Name me any of the material which is not very durable, which is very delicate. They aren't made of, you can write glass or plastic. High buildings are not made up of plastic or glass. You can write any of these two words. Number 3. Farmhouses are usually made of, come on children, houses. So while discussing houses, what material we discussed? Excellent. We discussed about bricks. So farmhouses are usually made of bricks. Windows are made of Yes, come on. Made of? The frame of the window is made up of plastic, or it can be of steel, or we can use wood as well. So either you will write plastic, wood or steel. Three of them they are correct. So windows are made of plastic, wood or steel, and glass, of course. Why glass? Because you have to see outside of the window, and glass is transparent. You can see outside easily. Number 5. A small hen house is usually made of? Children, hen house is made of? Is it made of bricks, steel, glass, stone, plastic or wood? Hen house is usually made of wood. Excellent, children. Hen house is usually made of wood. Now, question number 3. What about your school? 4 sentences are given below which are discussing different materials we normally see in our school. Examples: that door is made of wood. These windows are made of steel and glass. The school is made of bricks. The chair is made of plastic. Children, you are required to write 5 sentences about different materials which you must have seen in your school. Is it clear? You have to write 5 sentences about your school, and you have to use different materials while writing sentences. Is it clear? Again, I am repeating the instructions. You have to write 5 sentences in your notebooks related to different materials which you must have seen in the school. Question number 4. Spelling patterns. Now children, the 3 spelling patterns are given below, and you have to find different vocabulary words. After reading these patterns, you have to find different vocabulary words in this puzzle. What are the patterns given? Ick. Again, the example is given above. Lick. The child is licking the ice cream. Lick. Child is licking an ice cream. Ack. Now, any vocabulary word? Excellent. Back, sack, rack. Now the third one. Awk, lock. Again, when I looked at the puzzle, I can see this word easily. Lock. L-O-C-K, lock. Now children, you have to find words of the patterns, spelling patterns we had already discussed from this puzzle. Now children, I am going to share answers of question number 2 and 4 with you. You have to check your work. Have a good day.